boy go bless you with money, oh my girl. Bless you with body, oh baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. Like, how you guys doing? If this is your first time of coming across my channel, or actually seeing my beautiful face on YouTube, or my name Jennifer, you're actually welcome. This is my channel anyway. Guys, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And also, if you're not new but you haven't subscribed yet, I really want you guys to do so. I upload every once or twice a week, so please. For today's video, I'm going to be doing full face of makeup using Makeup Revolution products, like literally all Makeup Revolution product. I think they have some other brand, like such as I Heart Makeup, Revolution Pro. There's a lot of brands they have, but I think the main center of everything is Makeup Revolution Beauty. As you can see, my eyebrows is done. That's because I don't have any product from Makeup Revolution in eyebrow pencil or pomade or what have you, so I decided to do my eyebrows out of the way. And also, I'm going to go ahead just to straight onto my foundation. That's also because their primer, I don't have their primer as well, so it's the full face. Majority of the product I'm going to be using is all Makeup Revolution, but the items that are not Makeup Revolution, I will actually skip it out of the video, or I've actually done it before continuing the video, such as my eyebrow. My primer is already done. So let's get around to this video because I really have a lot of work to do today, so I just want to get this video out of the way. Right, first of all, eyebrows primer is done because I don't have Makeup Revolution product for that. So next I'm going to go to my foundation. As you can see, I have two different foundation here, which I'm going to be mixing for my face look today. Yeah, so the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F13 and the Revolution Pro foundation tube in also F13. So I'm gonna apply the Revolution Pro around my perimeters of my face. Ooh, that's a big lump. Because to me, I feel like it seems a bit dark, you know. And then I'll go ahead to apply the foundation stick in the inner perimeter of my face, because I feel this a bit, they kind of look like the same color. This is a bit red and this is a bit cool on the tone. So for those of you that don't know, Makeup Revolution is a UK beauty brand product, so they also have like shop in US or whatever, but it's actually a UK brand product. I believe my skin is coming back to normal, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead to blend this foundation out. I don't know if I should go for a full coverage. Should I? Okay, I'm going back using my left hand to do my face. Like, I don't know why I'm always doing this. I don't know. Guys, if you see me looking this way, that's because there's a mirror there and I like to probably see myself this way. My monitor is a bit far from me, so I can't really see my face or what I'm doing, so I have to always look at a mirror. And also at the same time, I don't want to use something to block my face, because yeah. So guys, don't forget to always bring your foundation down towards your neck, but not like you can bring it all over, but I'm just going to bring it towards like where it covers, like you can't see it, so that just not just gonna be like you applying your foundation, just gonna have a patch line. So next guys, we're gonna contour. Sometimes I contour after I apply my under eye concealer, but in this case I want to contour before I apply my under eye concealer for no reason I don't know. And for my contour today, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer shade in C16. I really like this kind of shade because it gives me that creamy milky chocolate texture or shade. That's why I like it. Ooh, is that too much? Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna use my dual fiber brush to brush out my contour. First, I'm gonna start with my forehead because I think I was having 5 head with my hair, reduce it to 4 head. Now my contour will actually make my head 2 head. So I'm gonna contour the shade out of this 4th mother effing head. Yeah, I'm good. So okay. When you contour it, you need to make sure you contour upwards because that's when your contour can stay more. If you want to have like a face that obviously make you slimmer, make it look as if you actually done a surgery or lost some pounds, you know, that's the usefulness of contour. But the reason I don't really like to do it is because of it's kind of messy. So when you listen, I accept. Cause at this place I can't keep fighting. How the fuck did we get? Cause I can't recognize us no more. And they're knocking outside your door. So next I'm gonna conceal underneath on my eyes, and I'll be using the same concealer from Makeup Revolution, and this one is also concealer and define concealer, but instead the shade is in C12.5. Ooh, concealer smell. So sometimes I don't know why I don't hardly talk in when applying my concealer or makeup. I don't know, like, because I just feel like when I'm talking I kind of get distracted. That's why I don't really like doing the chit chat, makeup, look, get ready with me, something like that. Ooh. Yeah guys, so YouTube drama, obviously I know a lot of people know about the fights coming up in August 25th. Today's August 15th, so we have like 10 more days. Wow, 10 effing days to the fight. I think I'm a fan of both, but I'm more of a fan of KSI than Logan Paul, because Logan Paul is just it's a douchebag. Like, truth to tell, I really want KSI to win. As you can see, our face is not bad, good, the way we want. See, our hand is merching. So guys, I'm gonna bake my face or set my face with a powder, loose powder, and a setting powder. I don't have powder from Makeup Revolution, so I'm gonna use my powder outside this camera, so and I'll be back. I don't know, I feel like a bit orange or whatever. So anyway guys, so you can see I've already baked my face, so let's continue to the eyes. Okay, I really don't know what I'm going for the eyes, but obviously I'm using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, so I believe I could come up with a good look. So for my eyeshadow palette today, I will be using the Revolution Pro Matte palette, and also mixing it with any of this shimmer shade from the Revolution makeup as well. So yeah, and to prime my hair lid, I'm just gonna use a concealer. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution concealer, obviously in C12.5. So let's get ready to rumble. Okay, wow, and blend this concealer out. Okay, and guys, I left a bit of powder on it in my eye. That's because I think this powder do have some kickback or fallout, so I don't want it to like stay on my makeup, so I'll just leave this powder there just to actually catch it, so when I finish with my eyes I can actually dust it off. So guys, I don't know what I really want to do. I'm confused now because I just got a horrible phone call. So I don't know, I think I always clinch on doing orange on my eye base. I don't know why, But you know what, this look is a frisky look, meaning I don't know, I can just do anything on my eye look. It's makeup, yeah, we're supposed to play with makeup, so I'm gonna go with this shade called Exclusive, yeah, this purple lilac something color all over my eyelid. And this is gonna act as a this is gonna act as a crease based eyeshadow. Wow, do I think it's a good idea to go with this color? Because I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. So you know what, I'm gonna use Daydream, which is a bit of orange bond color, to actually blend this shade out, because fuck it, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's play and see what shade we can come up with. So next, what should I do? I feel like applying Indicated. Indicated is a really like purple color. Ooh, that is so nice. I'm not actually playing with these shades as I got it. So I'm putting Indicated on the high lid. You know what, I might just decide to do cut crease. I think when I layer Indicated, you can see the color will come out. You just tapping the shade in whenever blending it out. Do we even need to blend out? What should I do next? Let me put Shrine. Shrine is actually purple. Shrine is a purple color. Guys, I'm just trying to come up with a nice look. Like, I really don't know what I'm doing, but I have a feeling that this eye look will turn out to be good. So I'm just gonna blend these, circular motion, sweep, sweep, sweep. I didn't know that this is gonna take a lot of time. So you know what, guys, I'm gonna do a cut crease because I don't know. So guys, yeah, I've actually finished my eye look. You might be wondering, like, why did I go for yellow and pink? That's because I find it difficult for what lip color to do, but I decided, like, let me do different separate eye look, and I really fall in love with this eye look today. Like, oh my god, fall in love. However, I didn't put the clip in this video because I was all over the place, but obviously you're gonna watch to the part where I was doing the side of this eyes. And yeah, I didn't really do anything much other than add a little bit of shimmer just on top of the shadow to make it be like proper cut crease, yeah. And also, what did I do? I had a mascara. I really don't want to wear no lashes in this look because it's a playful look and I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, so next is to blush our face. I don't have Makeup Revolution blush, even shimmer. I don't have them in shimmer. I used to have them, but I've given them out. So for the blush today, I'm gonna be using this MUA Makeup Academy blush. It doesn't have a name, but yeah, it has a name, sorry. It's called Bubblegum. It's a really pink, light pink doll baby blush kind of blush, and I'm gonna be using my brush to get this pigment smart. Oh, that's so pigmented. Oh, do I need to put a lot of blush in this look? Do I need to? I don't know. You know, I might just find somewhere to go, you know, with this look because it's so beat. So for my highlight, I'll be using the Makeup Forever highlight. This white because I just want to like a subtle. Hold on, let me look at you guys while I'm talking. I'm looking for my highlight. For my highlight, I'll be using this Makeup Forever highlight in Profusion 2. I didn't go for a drugstore highlight because I just want like a simple subtle look, like highlight cheek. So I feel like whenever I use this this Makeup Forever, I achieve that. So ooh, I like my nose. There's it. Boom. Check this out. Yeah, so this is the highlighted face. I just want to clean my lips so I can apply my lipstick. For the lipstick today, and the only lipstick I have in my collection from Makeup Revolution or Revolution Pro, this is the Revolution Pro liquid lipstick, and the shade is called Perplexed. It's a really dark, vibrant neon purple. We have yellow, pink, purple. It's a matte lipstick, so it takes a long time to dry to matte, but if you want it fully matte, you need to use a bit of tissue to tune the shimmerness down to matte. Arise, O cathedral, Nigeria's God obeying. His fathers then we strain heaven and neighbor are here respond behaving. Just to finish the look, like actually seal this makeup in place, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminated Fixing Spray to seal things look. So guys, this is the finished look with a bit of lipstick tit stain. I'm gonna go ahead to like take off my hair, you know, comb it, do whatever. I'll be right back. Welcome back guys. So this is the finished look of full face of makeup using just Makeup Revolution beauty product. However, there are a few items, maybe 2, 3, 4 items which are not Makeup Revolution product that I use in this video, but majority of the look is all Makeup Revolution beauty. So guys, this is the look I came up with. Like I don't know, I was like, what should I do with this eyeshadow, what should I create, you know? I was just playing with different colors on my eyelid, and I just said like, oh, you know what, let me go for quad crease. If you guys really want to see this eye look, like the way I created this eye look, I don't mind redoing a video for it, just for the eyes and the eyes alone. But you guys have to give this video a thumbs up and, you know, leave your comment below, and I will definitely recreate this eye look. But apart from that, I really love the combination of everything. Like I love this look, it's making me want to go out, and like I got a stained purple thick, I keep cleaning it each time I talk. So here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, like it. I did too. It was really fun to make, like really funny. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you know. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. You need to leave your comment below on your thought on this look, or if you want me to do a separate eye look, I will definitely do it. And also guys, turn on that notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a video. And yes, so until then guys, I am going to be seeing you in my next video very soon. So take care of yourself and be nice to others, okay? Love yourself. If you don't love yourself, who's gonna love you? Bye. I have this song that I've been playing lately. Oh, my Wi-Fi is not been on. What the hell? Come give me all of it. You've got the one something that I'm deep in. That's something I believe in. That's something that I'm needing. Today I'm gonna be doing full face of makeup using Makeup Revolution. Do I have to say full face of makeup? Because same brand name, Makeup Revolution. Guys, I'm going to be doing full face of Makeup Revolution. I don't think that sounds nice. Anyway, let me go back to the beginning. Hey guys, I'm going to be doing... So
'cause I can't recognize us no more.